Hello students, now I am going to teach you English language. Your first chapter is capital and small letters. If you have book, open your book, page number 5. Now see in your book, page number 5, capital and small letters. In your previous class, you have already learned how to write capital letter and small letters. Now see in your book, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Do you know how many letters in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters. They are of two types. How many types they are? They are two types, capital letters and small letters. Capital letters are also called big letters or uppercase letters. Capital letters are written in the following way. Now see in your book how to write capital letters. Okay, and capital letter is also called big letter and uppercase letters. Okay, remember this thing. Now small letters are also called lowercase letter. Small letters are written in following way. Now see in your book how to write capital letters. Small letters. And small letter is also called lowercase letter. Remember these things. And I know many of them know how to write capital letter and small letter. Now turn your page number 6. See in your book, use of capital letters. Where we use capital letters. When we are making a sentence, if we are writing a sentence where we use capital letter, which word we will use in capital letter? Now read this chapter. We use the capital letter for. You should always use the capital letters in the following situation. These situation we will follow the capital letters. Name of the person or place. For example, Mr. Sharma teaches us English. Mr. Sharma is the name of a person. That's why we are using Mr. Sharma in capital letters. Now see, second example, Delhi is the capital of India. Now Delhi is a place and India is also place. That's why we are using D in capital letter and I in capital letter. Now see the more examples of person or a place. Now see first example, Rahul is a good boy. Now in first sentence, Rahul is a name of person. That's why we are using capital letter here. Now second sentence is, I live in Lucknow. Lucknow is a place. Okay. Now third sentence, Rekha has a doll. Rekha is a person, is a girl. That's why we are using capital letter here. Now fourth sentence, I love my India. India is a place. That's why we are using here I in capital letter. Now see in your second situation, name of the river and mountain. When we write river, any river name or mountain name, we will write in capital letter. Okay. For example, first, the Himalayas are big mountain. Himalaya is a mountain. Okay, that's why we are using capital letter here. Number 2, the Ganga is a holy river. Ganga is a river name. That's why we are using G for in capital letter. For example, other rivers are Brahmaputra. When we write Brahmaputra, Gomti, okay, we will write in this river name in capital letters. Okay. Now see third situation where we use capital letter. When we write first letter, we should write in capital letter. Now see for example 1, this boy is my best friend. In this sentence we use this T in capital letter. Second example, this is your pen. T, same again in capital letter. You see more examples are there. Okay, Mr. Sharma, M is in capital letter. D, Delhi, Delhi is also a place. Now next example, the T, the Himalaya, T. Okay, the Ganga, we are using capital letter here. Okay. Now see interjection. Now see fourth situation where we use capital letter. I, when we write I in any sentence, we should write in capital letter. And interjection O. Interjection means feeling. It expresses the feeling of emotion, joy, sadness, sorrow, excitement. Okay, we use capital letter. For example, see the examples. Example 1, Rohit and I are going to Chennai. See in your board. See on your board. 1, Rohit and I are going to Chennai. Chennai is place. That's why we are using capital letter. C for C in capital letter. And Rohit is a name of a person. That's why we are using R. R in capital letter. And I. Okay. I in capital letter. Next interjection is O. O. You have done this work. O. Great God. These are interjections. Okay. O interjection we will write in capital letter. Now see in your fifth situation where we use capital letter, day and month. For example, Raj was born in March. March is a month. That's why we are using capital letter. Second sentence, Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a day. Okay, that's why we are using. If we are using any day name, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we will write it in capital letter. Now see next situation, name of languages and subjects. For example, English, Sanskrit, Tamil, French, chemistry, history. These are languages and subject also. Okay. Name of festivals, seas, etc. Any festival, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid, Bihu. These are festivals. We will write festivals in capital letters in any sentence. And seas, oceans, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. These are ocean. We will write in capital letter. Red Sea. Okay, and many more. Now see in your exercise, cursive writing. The following letters are written in cursive writing. Read and write it in your notebook. You should write cursive writing in your notebook also. Now see on a board how to write cursive writing. You should do these cursive writing in your notebook also and do neat and clean. Look at the board. Now let us do it in your exercises. Okay. A. Write the small letters for the following. You should write these capital letters in small letter. Exercise B. Write the capital letter for the followings. You should write these small letters in capital letters. Now turn your page number 8. Circle the capital letter. Circle the capital letters. A alphabet is in capital letter. Circle it. D, M, L, F, T, U, W. These alphabets are written in capital letters, so that we should circle it. Question number D. Use capital letters wherever necessary and rewrite the words. Now see the exercises. Question number 1. Mr. Gupta is our class teacher. Now see, Mr. Gupta is a name of a person. That's why we are using capital letter. Question number 2. Raj will go to see Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a monument. Monument is also written in capital letters. Okay, T and Raj. 3. I am a teacher. We will write I in capital letter also. 4. He is an honest man. He, first letter should be in capital letter. Next, 5. He is a good boy. We will write he is in capital letter. Number 6. Rahul lives in Patna. Rahul is a person name and Patna is a place. That's why we are using capital letter both. Okay. Number 7. Srinagar. Srinagar is a place. We will write S in capital letter. Number 8. The Quran is a holy book. We will write the book name is also in capital letters. Now see the activity corner. A. Write all the 26 letters of English alphabet on a chart paper and display it in your class. You should do capital letters in your rough copy. Now do exercise. Question number B. Trace the dotted line and practice cursive writing. Trace this dotted line and complete your exercise. Okay. Now this chapter is completed.